Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to see the recruitment notification from the Indira Gandhi National Open University, guys. Okay, so before going into this one, if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. And please give me one like for this video, guys. And after watching this video, please share this one to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the job notifications in this pandemic situation. It will be very much helpful to them. Why? Because here with only PG they can apply for this position, guys. No need of experience also, right? So let us go into the details regarding this one here. It is a Indira Gandhi National Open University, so invites online application form from the prospective and eligible PWBD candidates for vacant positions of non-academic or non-teaching post on regular basis. So you have to visit the official website for the detailed advertisement, qualifications as well as the eligibility criteria. And the online link will be made available from 5th July 2021 to last date is 4th August, that means 4th 8 2021. Okay, that means just today itself the online application has to open, but I just verified in the official website of this IGNOU, guys, but still now the online application is not open. So maybe today evening, okay, by evening the application may opens, guys, but anyhow keep on visiting the official website for this online application link. Okay, and coming to the details here, the name of the post is the assistant registrar. It is a level 10 category and it is a regular basis. This is the 7th CPC, 56,100 to 1,77,500, pay band 3. Okay, with the grade pay is also mentioned here, and maximum age limit is 42 years. Under the SC category, one position is there. Under the unreserved category, one position is there. So the total 2 vacancies are there. And coming to the PWD, 2 under clause A and C, 1 vacancy is there. Fine. And place of posting HQ or RC with all India service responsibility. And online registration starting date and the closing date already I mentioned, 5th July 2021 to 4th August 2021. And coming to the recruitment rules for the advertisement post, here you may check down. The essential qualifications for this register post is master's degree with at least 55% of marks or its equivalent grade in a point scale wherever grading scale is followed. That's it. There is no qualification is also not required because it is not mentioned here. So with PG, if you are a fresher, then you may apply for this one, guys, and level 10 pay scale you are going to get. Fine. So it will be the wonderful opportunity. And a few more important instructions are given here. So before filling the online recruitment application form, first of all, you have to go through the advertisement very clearly. Okay, and the date of determining the eligibility of all candidates shall be prescribed a closing date for submission of online recruitment application. And the applicants are advised to fill all the particulars mentioned in the online recruitment application form very carefully. And all the educational qualification mentioned should be from a university or the institute recognized by the Government of India. And the prescribed essential qualifications are the minimum qualifications. The candidates are not required to send the printouts of their online application form to the university. That means you need not to send the hard copy, guys. Only online registration is enough. And the candidates who are working, they have to submit the no objection certificate. And the candidates who are seeking for the reservations or relaxations, okay, candidates has to provide the certificate, guys, okay, issued certificate. And age relaxation to the government employees and ex-servicemen will be as per the Government of India rules. Fine. And coming to the 55% of the PG, here the 5% concession is there based upon the category, guys. The relaxation of 5% is provided in the essential qualification for SC/ST candidates. Okay, and coming to the 7-point scale grading system, okay, that is mentioned here. That means whatever the percentage you got, so you just check down the regarding grade point as well as the grade also here. Fine. And the candidates will be required to produce all original certificates related to age or experience or caste qualifications. Okay, so all these things. And I will provide this link in the description box of this video, guys. And coming to the application fee for unreserved category, OBS, non-creamy layer as well as the EWS, 1000 rupees. For SC/ST, PH, ex-servicemen, 600 rupees. And applications without prescribed fee will not be entertained and it will be rejected. Okay, and the application form is integrated with the payment gateway. That means within the online application form itself, you can able to pay, guys, by using your debit cards, RuPay, Visa, MasterCards or Maestro, anything. And the university reserves the right to shortlist the candidates on merit, experience, written or the skill test. So the university reserves the right to fix the criteria via screening test might be there, or else directly you can be called for the interview also, but that depends upon the number of applications, guys. If the huge number of applications are there, then definitely you have to face the computer based test, the skill test and the interview. Fine. And a list of states and cities for center test of examination will be provided in the drop box if applicable. That means if more number of candidates are there, then definitely they will provide the test centers also. And if the event of university decided to hold written examination for shortlisting of candidates, written test will consist of 200 questions of 1 mark and can be attempted in the 3 hours. There will be negative marking also, 0.25% for each wrong answer. Interview component for shortlisted candidates will be of 100 marks. Okay. In case if written test is conducting due to the huge applications, then in the written test the 200 questions will be there, 3 hours of duration. Each and every question carries 1 mark and there is a negative mark. Okay, interview component for shortlisted candidates. That means if you got the 100 marks in this written test, then you will be shortlisted for the interview. Fine. So these are all the cases, guys. Anyhow, I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So you please go through very carefully. And here the contact numbers as well as the email ID is also given. If you are having any queries regarding this advertisement, then you may put your query to this mail ID or else you may contact this phone number, guys. Fine. Anyhow, it is a detailed notification and please regularly keep visit on the IGNOU website for activating the link of this one, because they told that today is the starting date for the online registration. So just keep an eye on this official website today. Fine. Okay guys, thank you very much and please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and please give me one like for this video, guys. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay. And from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge per 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWYNIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.